Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2024 911 GTS. It's in chalk, as you can see. Great shape, very low miles. Sorry, it's starting to rain here a little bit, so a few watermarks on it, but overall, this is in great shape. I usually like to go around and point out blemishes that I see, but I'm not seeing things on this car. Usually we get a little bit of stone chips in this area here around the shark fin, but I'm not seeing that on either side either. Spoiler in front. All this area here looks fine. It does have adaptive cruise. That's what that kind of ball is there. And surround view as well. I can tell from the camera in the mirrors here. Take a look inside. So a combination of leather, race tex, and carbon. Really nice with the light stitching. Slight scuffing here, but could probably be cleaned up a fair amount. Not really super noticeable, but very light. The bolsters on the driver's seat, in good shape. Very minimal wear. Let's take a look in the back area here. As it sits, 6,101 miles. Go ahead and start it up. Does have a heated steering wheel. This is also nice that it has front axle lift in addition to the sport exhaust and of course PASM. Coming down here, we have seat heating. There's no ventilation in these seats because of the cloth race tex inserts, but it does have seat heating. Cabriolet roof, all in good shape. So just a really nice example. If you're looking for Cabriolet GTS, this could be it. Sport Chrono as well. I'll just point that out, which is part of the GTS. But if you have any questions, reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016. 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.